Go ahead, Josh.
Kaya, I'm gonna feed you some food. No, not your hand.
Joshua feeding his sister.
No, not your hand. Your mouth. No. No.
Yeah, sit down in the chair there.
Sit down, sit down.
There you go. That's good.
Mommy, is this like more, whatchamacallit food? Oh, she has this all day.
What are you talking about?
She has this all day.
Yeah, she grabbed a spoon.
A little faster, maybe.
Can I feed it?
Yeah.
Of course you can feed it. Just wait till Josh is done.
I like your cereal.
She's not going to eat just cereal all day. She will have breast milk. That's going to be the only cereal she has today, though. You do one at a time to make sure she doesn't have any allergies or reactions, and then you can isolate what dish you may not tolerate. So only rice for a few days, and then you switch to how water, and then you can try a new one for a few days.
What new one are you going to try?
Yeah, oatmeal. That's why.
Wait, can I see the oatmeal?
You like your
When did she
food.
start eating like baby food?
You just gradually see how well she does. I mean, it can happen very quickly, or it can happen slowly. You just kind of go slowly and
Messy.
and then you can introduce, when she starts to really eat food, you can start introducing her to food like every day, really.
Excited, right?
Can I feed it?
Alright, go
He
ahead.
wants the food.
Yeah, I said I can feed it.